If you've been sleeping on Pinterest as a way to make money, you're missing out. Pinterest isn't just a place for recipes and aesthetic photos, it's a visual search engine. That means people go there with intent. They're planning, shopping, and looking for solutions. And that's exactly why it's powerful for making money. Here's how to do it. First, pick a niche. Don't post random content. Focus on one area like fitness, home decor, budgeting, beauty, or side hustles. The more specific, the better. Second, create valuable pins. Use simple designs with clear text overlays that solve a problem. Titles like 5 Ways to Save $500 This Month or Beginner Home Workout Plan work because they promise a result. Third, use affiliate marketing. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon or other brands in your niche. When someone clicks your pin and buys through your link, you earn a commission. No product needed. Fourth, drive traffic to something you own. This could be a blog, a digital product, or even printables you sell. Pinterest traffic is long-term. One good pin can bring visitors for months. Finally, be consistent. Post daily if you can. Test different designs. Look at what's performing and double down on it. Pinterest rewards fresh content, and the best part, you don't need to show your face. If you stay consistent and treat it like a real business, Pinterest can become a serious income stream. Now it's your turn. Start pinning with a strategy, not just for fun.